So now we're into currencies and setting a price. So what do we want to do? By default, Vimeo accepts US dollars for all sales. You may also choose to accept other currencies when your working purchase is non-US region. So if you know that it's if it's not going to just be bought in the US, you might want to set up some other countries. You might want to accept all currencies, or you may just want to say, I just want to sell it for $9 everywhere in the world, right? So let me choose which currencies I accept, and for this I'm just going to put dollar on, right? US dollar. So US dollar is a default. I'm going to turn everything else off because I just want people to know. People in England know how much a dollar is. I mean, I could put pound and charge a pound as well, but for this, I'm just going to set a dollar. Now, if you set different currencies, and I'll show you, you can then set the pricing per country, right? Allow viewers to, so at this point, I'm just accepting US dollars. Allow people to buy it, and how much is the buy price? I'm going to make it $1 just for my testing, but yours might be 5, 10, 15, 20, 100, whatever it is, whatever your content is, or rent it. And then you choose how long they can rent it for and if they're allowed to download the video. The download button here is for buying. If they buy the video, can they download it? And if you don't want them to be able to download it, you can disable it. And then you can say if they want to rent it, I'm going to say rent. You can rent this for 72 hours at this price. So you can set the pricing. If you then went pound, euro, you can then edit the prices, type in the prices here. It will automatically try and convert it to the currency, but you can change that as well. For me, I'm just going to turn this off. I'm going to make it $1 to buy, $1 to rent. Or maybe, I don't know if I can make it 50 cents to rent. Yeah, I think dollar's probably going to be the cheapest price. I'll buy it on the example page. But I'm just going to leave that at that. That is how easy it is to set the pricing.